Sweet Viburnum is a shrub or small tree native to China, Korea, Taiwan, Japan, the Himalayan region in India, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Large, leathery, dark green, glossy leaves and clusters of extremely fragrant small white flowers, completely covering the plant in springtime, make Sweet Viburnum a long-time landscape favorite. The large, dull green leaves form a moderately coarse texture. The flowers are often followed by small, red berries, which turn black when ripe and are moderately showy. Sweet Viburnum grows quickly in full sun or partial shade on a wide variety of soils. It is tolerant to drought, holding up very well in unirrigated landscapes once established. Relatively maintenance-free, Sweet Viburnum grown as a tree will require pruning to control size and shape. Good companion plant suggestions include Hope philodendron, hibiscus, dwarf firebush, Nor Grant or Super King Ixora, gold mound, dwarf oleander, and sweet potato vine. Although frequently used as an ornament, the viburnum species shows biological properties with health-promoting effects. Fruits, flower, and barks of certain species are used for pharmaceutical purposes or as cooking ingredients, hence containing biochemical compounds with health-promoting activities such as polyphenols and flavonoids.